Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in to Hadley Harley. Today we're going to be taking a ride over to Hopewell, New Jersey, the Brick Farm Market. Great place to grab a coffee, dessert, or even your dinner. They make some nice sandwiches, have a whole bunch of different items available, as well as a small grocery store. They have a butcher shop, awesome cheese department. Very nice place. They're actually right now, they're open till 9 p.m., which I was kind of surprised to see. You could sit outside, have yourself a coffee, a nice Danish, or one of their many varieties of cupcakes, donuts, a whole bunch of different things. And I also do sell fresh fruit there if that's what you like. But it's a nice ride. The sun's going down, as you can see that flickering glare. We're in early October here, so have a nice afternoon now and 70 degrees and kind of heavy traffic today. I was surprised to see that, but not too bad. This is a map from the Rever app. It's a ride tracker, gives you distance, average speed, time, maximum speed. It's a pretty cool app. It has a whole bunch of features. You could, redo the ride or retract the ride. Pretty neat. Okay, this is coming down Route 518, approaching the Raven Rock Quarry there. Nice little S-turn as you come down that hill to the light by the DNR Canal there. Nice area, and that'll bring you right through the town of Rocky Hill as you head up to cross Route 206. Just try to do your speed limit through there. There is pretty good police presence. So just, keep it 35. 35 is the speed limit. Keep it 35, 40. You'll be fine. Okay, now this is Route 518, still approaching Hopewell and approaching the market. Just coming in around sundown here, so we're just going to kind of swing through and head back, just showing you the ride out there. But like I said, they do have, you could stop in here, get a nice cup of coffee, Danish, get yourself dinner. Once again, they have nice sandwiches there, but it's a pretty cool place. Right now you can sit some people indoors, and the rest you have a bunch of nice tables outside that you could sit at and have whatever you got and just relax. But yeah, that's a nice little area they have there. And like I said, once again, it is a nice market. Pick up a few items. Okay, now we're sitting at this light here on 518 and 206. There's a gas station after you go through the right if you need to gas up. I recommend waiting, a little high priced. But also you have the Wawa to the left if you want to swing in there and grab yourself a coffee or something. Use the bathroom. I think they have a bathroom. But yeah, that's if you make the right at this light, that'll bring you follow that down, that'll bring you right into the town of Princeton. You ride through by the university, of course, Princeton, downtown Princeton. You have all those restaurants, a good brewery over there, Triumph Brewing Company, Small World Coffee, and a whole bunch of other places, which is that's a whole nother trip over there. Okay, now we're approaching Route 27 off 518, heading home. This car in front of me was doing a good old 30, 35, and a 50, so fortunately, there's a passing lane, or it's two lanes goes into one, I should say, and normally a person that's driving a little slower would see the Harley and move over to the right, but in this case they didn't, so I did the wrong thing here and passed on the right, but I couldn't take it anymore. I wasn't going to ride the whole way home behind them. Okay, now we're coming towards the end of the ride here. This is Route 27. Especially in this area, 27, or when you're riding through New Brunswick, Highland Park, Edison. I mean, you know, pretty much all Route 27. Be careful. Got a lot of driveways, businesses, traffic lights, you know, the normal hazards of riding a motorcycle. Just keep your eyes open. You know, to watch your speed. There's no reason to go flying down Route 27. I mean, I see it all the time, but to me, that's just foolish. You're looking for trouble. You want to open up your bike, go out on a major highway where there's no traffic around and let loose. But, you know, going through here, that to me is just silly. Passing the Gyro King to the right there. You like good gyros? That's the place. Now we're coming up on Finnegan's Lane. A lot of racing goes on this road. I live off it. I listen to it now and then when I got my windows open in my place. Not guilty of cracking it open on Finnegan's Lane, but once again, I take it easy. Try to respect my neighbors. And this one too, you got a lot of driveways. All I ask at the end of this video, first of all, thank you for taking this ride with me. There's plenty of local rides in your area. Take that 30-mile ride round trip after dinner. It's always good to unwind. And also, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. This is Dave from Hadley, Harley. Thanks for riding with us tonight.